Hello everyone, Campbell Marshall, KPRC Channel 2 meteorologist. Thank you for using click2houston.com to get updated on what's going on. You look out the Southwest Freeway, notice that haze out there? Well, we're told that that's from agricultural burning in Mexico and Central America, and the winds are helping to bring it up in our area. So we've got hot, humid conditions, and we got these breezy conditions. Hazy wind speeds throughout the afternoon. We're talking to 15, 16, 18 miles an hour. Galveston, 16 miles per hour. Gusting even higher than that, 26 mile per hour gusts in Katy, 24 in Sugar Land. That's going to be with us not only today, but this afternoon and tomorrow as well, ahead of the big front that's going to be coming through. We're giving us a chance for severe weather that will happen in the overnight hours tomorrow night. Exact track radar, calm right now. You can take a broader look, and this is where the spin up is happening. This area of low pressure up to the north. And look at the back of that colder air on the backside of that, creating snow in the Midwest here. And on the backside, of cooler air is going to help us out on Sunday. But for the most part, this is where the unsettled weather is, and that's where the strongest storms will be, but we will have some as well. Futurecast model from 11 o'clock this morning showing that flow, getting our speeds that are the wind speeds that are high, getting us really warm temperatures, humid as well. It's going to be very uncomfortable. Highs in the 90s, low 90s, close to 89, 90 degrees. That's going to be the trend going forward here, and that's all heading up to where this area of low pressure is, and that's where the most unsettled weather is well to the north. We'll have this moving in throughout the afternoon today, and then the overnight hours for tomorrow, we'll have ahead of this front, be a stationary front to the north here, but we still have this warm flow all the way through later in the afternoon, at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. By the way, if you're planning on morning events on Saturday, you should be just fine. In the afternoon, you start to see a few scattered showers around. Stronger storms will happen in the evening, so I think late afternoon and evening, you have a chance for some rain to be around. And the overnight hours is where we start to see this start to happen. This is 10:30 on Saturday from our Futurecast. Stronger storms start to pop up, and that will really start to get cranking. Most of the strongest stuff you can see well up to the north. We're talking about in Arkansas, in Oklahoma, Missouri. Really strong storms. They're really in for it. But we will have storms as well on the tail end of this front as it passes on through. Timing now, really, this is 3 o'clock, and a lot of the models we've been looking at will have us the prime time, if you will, from about 1 to 5 to 6 o'clock in the morning. We look at this 3 o'clock and it moves on out of here and gets out of here by 6 o'clock in the morning. A lot of it should be off. Now, on the backside of that, you notice the rotating the wind on the backside for those people who are in the BPMS 150, which should not have a problem on Saturday. On Sunday, that headwind is going to be a little bit of a challenge, and 15 to 25 mile an hour winds as a result of the backside of that front, but it'll be sunny. Won't that be nice? And we'll be nice and cool coming into Sunday and Monday. That'll be nice. Rain amounts, not expecting a lot of rain out of that for us. Areas to the north, as we talked about, this is Missouri, Arkansas area. Really strong storms up there and a lot of heavy rain. Our issues will be mostly hail, strong winds, chance for isolated tornado as it moves on through. That's going to be the biggest issue for us. Now, for the 10-day look at the forecast, we get 30% you see on Saturday and Sunday. Those are the daytime 30%. The wind and the rain, and the heaviest rain is clearly going to be in the overnight hours. That's where you see that 80% there. BPMS 150, you should be fine. Later on in the afternoon, there's a chance for some storms as you're making your way toward LaGrange. And then for the Sunday trip, you should be fine. The strongest weather should have been behind you. And so we have those temperatures dropping, and you have breezy conditions going on as well. But for us, 70s, mid-70s on Sunday for highs. Won't that be nice? Next 10 days, next rain event will be on Wednesday. Enjoy.